Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Danville, local and long distance movers near me. You don't have to worry if your destination is long distance, as we've got you covered. A long distance move is about 50 miles. A movement as long as this can be within a state as well as out of it. Whether your long distance move is intrastate, within the state, or interstate, outside your state's borders, we can help you relocate. We protect your belongings throughout the transfer. What makes this possible is the excellent relationship we have with the federal and state authorities. Our insurance policies are also protecting our clients from risk during and after the move. Not only do we offer long distance moves, but we also provide relocation services around your intermediate locality. Our rates are also very affordable, as we offer about $30 to $40 every hour. Our team of movers are responsible and dedicated to their duty. They're also very efficient, effective, and time conscious when dealing with customers. Apart from these, our team can work our way through the city stress-free, no matter how busy it is. We can do this well because of our organized moving plan that gets you to your destination without problems. If you want to confirm our effectiveness and efficiency, you can ask our previous clients around you about us. Our reviews are excellent from all of our customers, and our movers are not just efficient, they're also qualified to help you with your move. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Danville moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.